Okay, now, what about this one? You see here, he's giving, this is a part of question, a part of this question, but the beginning of the part is very easy. Yani it is exponential decay. This is the percentage. Okay, you will find the 10% of this number. Then after 1 year, it decreases. So you will subtract it, and here you will add it. Okay, and here is simple interest. But after getting the simple interest, you will get the interest added to the 600. It will be the whole investment. And here also you will substitute by all the numbers and get R.
Wait, how
For
do you do
this
simple
question,
interest again?
what?
How do you
Raise
do
your
simple interest again? I forgot.
this one, this one,
PRT over 100.
yeah, it will be what? I equal PRT. Okay, then I equal 600 multiplied by 2% over 100 multiplied by T, which is 5. Okay, so it will be what?
Okay, thank you.
$60. Okay, $60. But you have to add it to the original value because he said the whole investment. So it will be 660. Okay. Okay, now would you please read this question? The mass of radioactive substance decreases exponentially at rate of 3% each day. Find the overall percentage decrease at the end of 10 days. Okay, decreases exponentially. So I am going to write the rule of the exponential decay, which is A equal A1 minus 1 minus R over 100 power T. Any problem in this rule? Okay. Can you tell me what is A capital and what is A initial small, which is the initial? Where is the initial substance and where is the final substance? What do you think I should put here? Who knows? Who did this question before? Maram? Ahmed Usama? How would I do this? Maram? Majid, Hussein, Ibrahim. How would I do this?
Multiplied by 10.
Multiply what by 10? What my question
The
here?
percentage, 3 by 10.
Why? My question here, what to put in this and what to put in this? Look here. Every time he's asking about what is the substance after 10 days? Or what is the substance before 10 days? Now, he doesn't ask for a number. He asked for what? The overall percentage decrease. Yani, he's asking it decreased by how much percentage? How many percentage? It decreased by what? How many percentage? Okay, so I am going to assume that the initial condition was 100%. Was what? I will assume that the initial condition was what? 100%. And then see, after the 10 days, if it is 60%, so the decrease was 40. If it is 90%, so the decrease was 10. So I want only the decrease. I don't want how many centimeters, how many kilograms, how many kilometers. No, I want the percentage. It was decreased by how many? So I will assume that the initial condition was 100%. So whenever he says overall percentage, assume that the initial was what? 100%. If he's asking about the increase, that means it was 2 plus. It was plus. If he's asking about the decrease, that means it is decayed. Okay? So this is what? 100%. Then this will be unknown. 1 minus r, which is 3 over 100 power t. Let's do it on the calculator. 1 minus this power 10, because he said 10 days, okay? Power 10 multiplied by 100, it will be what? 73.74%, okay? So it was 100%, it became what? 73.74%. That means the decrease was what? 100 minus 73.74. So it will be what? The answer will be 26.26%. You got it? This is very important idea. Okay? But look at the second one. Also, same idea. Find the number of whole days it takes until the mass of the substance is 1/2 of its original amount. The mass of the substance will become what? 1/2 of its original amount. Do I know the original amount? No. So I will assume it is what? 100%. Okay? So A equal A 1 minus R over 100 power T. He wants now what? Number of days. So T is required. So if the original percent is 100%, what will be the final? He said 1/2 means it became 50%. Okay, 1 minus the same rate like this. Then I will do what? I will do mod 5(3). It will be, let's do mod 5(3). Not mod 5(3), sorry, shift solve. As I'm getting confused. Okay. Power x, then shift calc 0 equal. I will find t as what? It was 22 and something. Yeah, 22.7. And this, instead of 5, I'm going to write it 6. Any problem? Did I finish? No, I didn't. Because he said what? Find the number of whole days. Of whole days. So I have to round it in whole number. So it will be 22 days or 23 days. I will round it up. It will be 23 days. You know what? Because if I said 22 days, it will not reach half the substance. But in 23 days, for sure, it reaches half the substance. Any problem in this part? You see, this is the same question we just solved it in the last video. So it will be what? The volume of the sphere will be equal the volume of the water decreased. Then you will find the height of the decrease. But there he wants direct the height of the decrease. But here he wants the new height. So I will subtract it from 15. Okay, what do you think about this question? He wants the value of W. He wants the value of W. And then I have this and this and this. What should I do? And it is right angle triangle. What should I do? Students?
You have to find the missing values first.
I have to find T first. I have to find
T,
what? T first.
yeah.
Okay. How to find t by using what? I can use Pythagoras. I can use what? Pythagoras. How? This is the hypotenuse. So 2t plus 3 square equal 5 square, which is 25, plus t square. Then I will do what? I will expand this and send them all to the same side and make it equal 0. Then do what? Then after making it equal 0, get two values for t. One will be negative and one will be positive. The negative for sure rejected because it is length, and the positive will be accepted. And do what? You can substitute here, and then how to do this? You can use the sign ratio. Sin W equal T, which you got over 5. Then get W. Any problem?
Miss, can you go for 1 second?
This one?
Up, 1 second. Where we wrote the question we were doing. Okay, thank you.
Miss,
Yes.
can you repeat this question?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, from the beginning. From the beginning, he wants W. How can I get W? This is right angle triangle, so I can use sine rule, cosine rule, tan ratio, okay? Sine rule, sine ratio, cosine ratio, tan ratio. But the problem that I don't have t, I have to have this sides as numbers. So how to get t? I will use Pythagoras. Pythagoras is telling me what? That the hypotenuse square equal the first side square plus the second side square. Then I am going to expand it. This will be 4t square. How to expand this? You can make it into two brackets like this, or you can make it direct. Plus 12t plus 9 equal 5 square, which is 25 plus t square. Then bring them all to the same side. Send this to the other side by minus, so it will be 3t square. Then 12t. Then send the 25 to the other side by minus. It will be minus 16 equals 0. Now I will do what? Mod 5, 3. I have 3, then 12, then negative 16. I will got t equal. Let me do it again. Mod 5, 3. I think something wrong with the numbers. It should be revised كده the steps. 40 square plus it's getting decimal. I just wanted to check if it is right decimal or not. Let me calculate it again. February 23. Yes, nothing wrong. Okay, so I will get t. I thought it is wrong. Okay, so I will get t as 1.055 or t as what? Negative 5.055. Can I take the negative? Can I take the negative? No, it is rejected. But we have a problem here before completing. You cannot write this for him like this without saying from where did you get this? Factorizing or general formula. If you try to factorize it by mod 5-3, you will get decimals like this. So you have to write for him the general formula. So A equal 3, B equal 12, and C equal negative 16. Then, so X equal positive or B square, negative B, sorry. Negative B, positive or negative, B square minus 4AC over 2A. Then substitute negative 12 plus or minus 12 square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 16. All of this over 2 multiplied by 3. And then forget about this and do it by the calculator mod 5-3. You will get the answer like this. Any problem? And this is rejected. Now you have T like this. So I have to substitute, but I have this triangle. This is W. This is 5. And this is 1.055. I will use what? I will use sine rule. So sine ratio. Sine W equal 1.055 over 5. Opposite? No,
Miss,
this is tan, not sine. Sorry, I wrote it up here by mistake maybe. I don't remember what I wrote it up there. Okay, so I will take what? 10. Yes, Ihsan.
Miss, for you, it's mod 5-3, but what is it for the white calculator?
I can check and tell you. It is mod, then
Okay.
A, then 2, 2. Mod 9A22, something like that. Okay, then from here, so I will get what? W equal tan inverse 1.055 divided by 5 and get the answer. It will be 11.9. Any problem? We can go through this question if you find. Okay, can we go to this question? Did you solve this before? Did you face any problem in this question before? Huh? Do you want me to do this question or not?
Miss, could you just do it for like quick revision?
Okay, look here. He's telling me dice A is numbered 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6. And dice B is numbered what? These numbers. Okay? Dice A is rolled once. So write down the probability that it lands on number 6. Okay, what is in dice A, what is the probability of number 6? It is only 1 time over 6. Type this dice A is rolled 150 times. So what is the number of times it is expected to land on number 6? So I will multiply 1 over 6, what I got, multiply by 150. So it will be 25. Yes, 25. Okay, then look here بقى. Dice A and dice B are each rolled once. Find the probability that the two numbers they land on have a total of 6. Can you tell me what do you think I should do in this? Who solved this before? Can you tell me what should I do in this question? Huh? Who did this exam before?
We're gonna do 1 over 6 times 2 over 6 and then close bracket. Yes. Sorry, what did you say?
I'm asking about question B. Find the probability that the two numbers they land on have total 6.
Yeah, we're gonna open a bracket and then write 1 over 6 times 2 over 6, close
Okay.
bracket, and then
How? And from where did you get these numbers? The way, يعني I'm asking about the way. How
From the
did you
top,
get?
like 6 for like the
This here. Okay. I want the total of them to be 6. Okay. Like how many ways I will get, how many times I will get total 6 if I picked one from here and one from here. Look here, I will tell you my opinion. And you can do it also whatever you want, however you want, like what Fawzia said, okay? But يعني إيه, I prefer it this way because you can use it in 2 questions. يعني always it comes I and double I. So the table I'm going to do, we can use it in these 2 questions, okay? He's telling me what. I have dice A and dice B. Okay, look what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to write dice A. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6. And then I am going to write what? Dice B here. Okay, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, if you can do it in the regular way and got mental quickly which 2 numbers you will add 6, you can do it in the mental way. Okay, I will try this method. So then he said what? The total of them 6. I am going to get the total of each 2 numbers. And if he said the multiply or the product of them, I am going to multiply them both. So I have here 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 8. Then 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 9. I'm adding, okay? 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 9. And now 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 10, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Any problem in adding like this? Can you tell me how many of these, the total of them 6? I have this one, this one, this one. Any other? No. Okay. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of how many outcome? 6. If you counted all of them, it will be 36. Any problem? Okay. Let's see the next question. Find the probability that when the 2 numbers, they land on the total 6, both numbers are 3. So now he's telling me what? In the above here, he said the probability direct to have total 6. But here, he is asking about what? The probability when the 2 numbers land on total 6. That this means these are the denominator. This is 11. How many of them both were 3? How many? I have this one because both were 3, 3 and 3. And this one because also both were 3. So 2 over 11. You got it? Okay. This one, you remember, I explained it on the board, right? Shall I do it again?
Yes, please.
Okay, he's telling me dice B is rolled n times. The probability that the nth roll, it first land on number 3 is this number. So I have to get the probability of 3 and the probability of not 3. If it was a separate question, so the probability of 3 will be given. But now it is not given, so I will get it. From dice B, what is the probability of 3? Where is dice B? Here. What is the probability of 3? 2 over 6. So I will go there, 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. Then, so what is the probability of not getting 3? 2 over 3. So I will put not getting, then n minus 1, then multiply by 1 over 3 equal 32 over 729. And now you can do it whatever you want. Okay? Yani you can use the shift solve, or you can use what? I can send this to the other side by divided. So 32 over 729 divided by 1 over 3, it will be 32 over 3, 4, 3. And here 2 over 3. Or I can do just direct shift solve. 2 over 3 power x minus 1 equal 32 over 3, 4, 3. Shift calc 0 equals. So from here I will get n direct. Yes. Let me do this again. Let me calculate it again because it was error.
Miss X is 6. N is 6, sorry.
So I
6.
let me write it again. No, it's not getting me 6. No, this is which question? Yes, it is 6. I had the problem in the calculator. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, then. Any problem?
No.
I know what I was doing mistake. Okay, done. Any problem? Okay. What about this? Okay, let's do this. The diagram shows a sketch of what? Of this y equal 4x power 3 minus x power 4. The graph crosses x-axis at origin and point A. Okay? Then diff and B is the maximum point. Differentiate 4x power 3 minus what? Minus x power 4. What should I do? Differentiate. How should I differentiate? Bring it down. It will be 12x squared minus 4x power 3. And this is the answer. Okay, then find the coordinate of B. How would I find the coordinate of B? What do you think? This B is a turning point. This B is what? A turning point. Okay? So what I'm going to do? Equate the differentiation by 0. So I will do what? 12x squared minus 4x power 3 equal to 0. Then I will take 4x squared as common factor. What will remain here? 3x minus, sorry, 3 minus, not 3x. 3 minus x equals 0. So from here, x equals 0, and from here, x equals 3. Okay, look here at the question. You got 2 points here at x equals 0 and x equals 3. What do you think? The x of point B, it could be 0 or 3? Of course, 3. So this not the targeted one. So x equals 3. Then put it here in the y for 3 power 3 minus 3 power 4. It will be 27. Then find the gradient of the graph at point A. What is the meaning of find the gradient? That I will substitute here in 12x squared minus 4x power 3 by point A. Do you have point A here? It's not given. How could I get point A? What do I know about point A to get it? What special do I know about point A to get it? Huh? I know that point A, he said that the graph crosses x-axis at point O and A. So at these 2 points, y equal 0. So I will take this and make it y equal 0 and make it y equal what? 0. Take x power 3 common factor. I will have here 4 minus x equal 0. So either x equals 0 or either x equal 4. So from here, I have 2 points, this and this. For sure here equals 0 and 0, and this will be equal what? 4 and 0. So go back to the question here. He said at point A, x equal what? 4. So substitute here with 4. So it will be negative 64. Okay? And check your answer. This part is negative or positive? It is negative. Okay? Any problem in this part? Any problem? Okay. I'm scrolling. If you want to stop at a question, you can tell me. If we did it before, I will tell you check the video. This I said it before in a lot of videos when he say perpendicular bisector. So I have to get the perpendicular first, gradient, flip and switch. And what about the bisector? I have to get the midpoint between A and B and use it. Okay, any problem for this exam? Please, you have to solve the whole exam. You have to solve what? The whole exam again. Okay? Any problem in this part? Okay. Thank you for this part.